The Retroid Pocket Nova has been released and is a retro Android handheld console. It features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, capable of smoothly running PS2, GameCube, and AMOLED Switch emulator games. 7 color options are available, divided into semi-transparent and solid colors. Semi-transparent options include crystal clear, watermelon red, transparent purple, and ice blue. All colors options have the D-pad located above the joystick, featuring an AMOLED display with 4.5 inches screen size, with 960 by 1280 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, with a peak brightness of 500 nits. Offers two versions, 8 and 12 GB of RAM, and both has 128 GB of storage, both supporting microSD card. The 12 GB version is suitable for heavy users. It features a built-in 5000 mAh battery with 27 watt fast charging, a relatively large capacity for a 4.5 inches handheld console, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, weight is only 255 grams, and a USB Type-C port. Its 4.5 inches size easily fits in a pocket. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.